What's up, guys? This is Erik from Maxlider Brothers Customs, and we have built another limited edition 2023 Ford Bronco Raptor. We're getting ready to ship it to our repeat customer, Chad, and it's time to tell you all about it. So it seems like everyone's talking about our brand new front bumper for the 2021 and up Ford Bronco, and we can see why. We put a lot of time and energy designing this thing, and we made it the perfect bumper for the new Ford Bronco. This one features our modular brush guard, which mounts to the top of the bumper and creates extra protection for your grille and your headlights when you're on the trails. Our customer Chad decided that he wanted both the winch and the LED lighting combo, so we dropped the winch in there from our friends at Warn, and we feature two 4.7-inch Vision X LED lights, so you have plenty of light when you're on the trails. Everyone seems to love the Maxlider stance. Well, we found that it's a combination of both the right lift kit and the right wheel and tire. This one has a leveling kit on it that we add so that we can get the front end off the ground, level the vehicle a little bit, and create the space so that we can put these 20 by 9-inch wheels with 37 1250 20-inch BFG KM3s. Everyone wants the perfect set of wheels and tires on their Bronco, and we feel like we've picked a winner here. We create a new graphics package for every new Bronco we design, and this one features our Raptor package. You'll notice that on the hood, it has a pair of scallops that create some accents that work perfectly with the factory design, and running down the side, you got another pair that make this thing look like it's going 100 miles an hour even when it's sitting still. Kind of an ode to the old school Broncos, but with a new Bronco twist. We've got plenty of lighting on this limited edition Maxlider Bronco Raptor, and you'll notice that on either side we have a pair of 4.7-inch LED light cannons from our friends at Vision X mounted right next to the mirrors and custom Maxlider brackets. And on top, you gotta have a light bar, 15 LED Unite cubes from Vision X mounted to our brackets. These lights actually have a rounded face, and the bar itself is also rounded, so air moves by it a lot more efficiently. The result, you get less wind drag. Now you'll hear the light bar just a little bit, but we found that it's one of the quietest light bars in the market. Now the back of this Bronco Raptor looks as good as the front because we added our matching heavy-duty rear bumper with a couple of extra tow hooks. And we've added our heavy-duty spare tire reinforcement system, which allows you to mount a big old tire back there and it won't bend your tailgate. It's got bumpers that will support the tire along with heavy-duty stainless steel hardware. As you know, I'm always a fan of what's happening inside the Bronco, and this one is pretty sick. We got two pair of paracord handles so that you can pull yourself into the vehicle, and always my favorite part, the custom leather. This has this gorgeous French vanilla, high-end distressed, diamond-stitched leather interior that just totally sets off this Bronco and makes it different than your neighbor who may have a Bronco himself. Matching dash and a matching console cover totally completes the look inside and makes you feel like you are in a really high-end vehicle. And then you gotta have power running boards because those are so cool. Our customer Chad chose to white out this Bronco Raptor because we built him an all-white high-end vintage Bronco just a few years ago. Now he's got a matching set. White fender flares, white graphics, powder-coated white bumpers, and metal parts all throughout the vehicle tie this thing together and make it totally unique and totally different. You're gonna see a lot of Broncos out there on the road, but you're not gonna see many Maxlider Broncos because we do it differently. Now you can be the envy of your neighborhood. We're building a limited edition run of only 150 Ford Bronco Raptors in the 2022 and 2023 model year. So if you're interested in getting your hands on one, give Maxlider Jeff a call. His contact information is right below. But hurry, because we don't have many left. Chad, thank you so much for your continued business. God bless, and enjoy your new Bronco Raptor.